Good morning, my dear children. So, my dear children, yesterday we discussed about the coastal plains and islands. Yes, we had already discussed about the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. Western coastal plain, there are the three parts of the western coastal plains like the Gujarat coast, the Malabar coast and the Konkan coast. And there are also the two parts of the eastern coastal plain. It is divided into the two different groups. First is the northern Sarkars and the second is the Coromandel coast. So yesterday we discussed about these two different topics, and today we have the topic we shall discuss about the islands. So my dear students, today we have the topic the islands. So my dear student, what is an island? Yes, what is an island? So my dear student, an island is a piece of land. Yes, it's a piece of land that is surrounded by water on all sides. Yes, island is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on all sides. So this is called island. Next is how many islands are there in India? Yes, there are the two main island groups here we have. The first is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Yes, the first is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and number two is the Lakshadweep Islands. Yes, number two is the Lakshadweep Islands. So here we have the first topic, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We shall discuss the topic, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So my dear students, where the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is located? Yes, where these islands are located? It is located in Bay of Bengal. Yes, Andaman and Nicobar Islands is located in Bay of Bengal, and it has 300 big and small islands. Yes, it is the group of 300 big and small islands. Yes, and it lies in Bay of Bengal. Where it lies? It lies in Bay of Bengal. And these islands are located far away from the eastern coast. Yes, these islands are located very far away from the eastern coast, and only few of them are inhabited. Yes, only few of them are inhabited, and the northern part, we can say that the northern part of this island is called the Andaman Islands. Yes, the northern part of the island is called the Andaman Island, and the southern part of this island is called the Nicobar Islands. Yes, the northern part of this island is called Andaman Islands, and the next is the southern part of this island is called the Nicobar Islands. So my dear students, the Indira Point, yes, the Indira Point of the Nicobar Islands is the southernmost. Yes, it is the southernmost part of India. Indira Point of this island is called the southernmost part of India, and the most of these islands, they have hills. Yes, most of these islands, they have hills, and they rising out of the islands, and many of these beautiful islands, they are covered with thick forest. Yes, they are covered with thick forest. Many of the islands, they are covered with thick forest. And what is the capital? What is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Port Blair. Yes, Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So my dear students, these are the features of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and these islands are in fact the topmost parts of a submerged mountain range in the Bay of Bengal. And these islands are linked by air and sea routes. Yes, these islands are linked by air and sea routes. Yes, and it submerges with Kolkata, Chennai and Bhubaneswar. Yes, it submerges with Kolkata, Chennai and Bhubaneswar, and weather is pleasant throughout the year. We can say that these are very beautiful islands and the weather is pleasant throughout the year, and these islands are very much famous for tourist destinations. Yes, these islands are very much famous. Andaman and Nicobar Island is very much famous. Yes, and the beauty of these islands attract tourists. People visit here from all over the world. They visit here to see the beauty of these islands group. So my dear students, these are the different features of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is located in Bay of Bengal and it is the group of 300 big and small islands are located here. And next is the northern part of this island is called the Andaman Island, and the southern part of this island is called the Nicobar Islands. And Indira Point is the southernmost part of India and it is located in the south. Next is Port Blair is the capital of this island, and here are many sea routes like Kolkata, Chennai and Bhubaneswar. Yes, and there is some rainfall. There is only a some rainfall, we can say that, throughout the year, and we can say that the weather is very much pleasant and these islands are very famous for tourist destinations.